Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anita Rivers of Classic Realty, and welcome back. And before we get started with the video, Happy New Year! It's 2020 guys, and you guys know what that means. It's prom season, it's bridal season, and we need to step our shit up. So 2020, I feel it. It's gonna be a great year. I'm super excited. Whatever God has plans for me, I am prepared, I am ready. And I'm ready to work. I'm ready for a man, honey. I'm ready for more clients. I'm ready for, bigger business, just bigger and better things this year. As you guys can see from the title, today I will be doing a DIY kind of like sew along with me with a simple black sexy dress. Now, if you guys want to learn how to create this dress, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Okay, before we get started, you guys need your patterns. For this project, you guys will need your basic sleeve pattern. Of course, you guys should have this already. And you guys will also need either your basic bodice pattern or your basic dress pattern. Here I'm just checking to see if the fabric has some stretch. And the first thing you guys will do is place your fabric on fold. Take your patterns and place it on fold as well. Next, I am measuring my hip, and then I'm going to get a pen, of course, and mark it on the side. I do not use chalk, I use pins. Next, I am measuring my waist, and then I am marking my waist with a pin again. Next, I am measuring my bust to make sure that it's accurate, and of course I'm taking my pin and I'm marking it as well. Follow my finger and you will cut down the bodice pattern. I'm cutting up from the bottom, around the underarm, and down the sleeve. This is what you should have after cutting. Again, you will take your fabric, place it on fold, and whatever you cut from the center front, you will just draw the same thing and trace it for the center back. So you're basically copying your center front and your center back. It will be the same pattern, and you'll cut everything. So your front and your back will be the same. Now you should have two patterns, not four, two. One front and one back pattern. One center front and one center back pattern. Now normally I take the color pins. This one is pink, and I mark the pink ones in my patterns to let me know which one is the front pattern. Now, thank God, I had a little bit of fabric left. I'm making one sleeve, thank God. And I am not using weights. I'm using like knife sharpeners as my wares, which is like something that's like crazy, but it works for me. And now I'm just cutting out my sleeve, one sleeve, and you guys will see why I'm cutting out one sleeve. Once you open up your sleeve on fold, this is what you should have, one sleeve pattern. Now I'm telling you guys, when it comes to making collars, it's really your basic square, and I'm going to show you how. So my neck is 13 inches all the way around. I got a fat neck. Is that a fat neck? I'm not really sure. But see, a collar is a basic square. You fold it in half, and then you actually put it around your neck, and you sew it your serger. I don't want you guys to overthink. It's very simple to do a collar with a dress or with any project you guys are doing. So now you guys should have your sleeve pattern, your collar pattern, and your center front and your center back patterns. But first we're going to go ahead and start with the sleeve. I'm going to go ahead and start sewing this. So you'll take your sleeve, place it on fold, get your serger or your regular machine, whatever you guys have, and just serge that side seam together. I'm going to turn this inside out. Am I turning it inside out? Yeah, I actually want to show you guys what it looks like. So I want to show you guys what the serger actually does. It's very clean. It's very professional. There's no threads hanging. If you don't have a serger, you should definitely invest in one or ask for a serger for your birthday. I love my serger. Now I'm going to turn it inside out. And I'm wearing the sleeve on my left arm. So let's see how this baby fits. It fits perfectly. It's comfortable. I don't want it too tight. I don't want it too loose, but it fits just right, as you guys can see. Hey, y'all. Yay. Next, we're going to go ahead and serge the wrist of the sleeve. And we're going to go ahead and take this serge sleeve, take it back to our regular sewing machine, and fold over and top stitch. It's very simple. We're done. And my table is moving. Like, why is it moving? Why? Now that we're done, I'm just showing you guys what it should look like. I'm going to try it on again. And I'm going to show you guys how you can wear it. You can wear it the long way past your fingers, or you can pull it up to your wrist and wear it the regular way, like a sleeve. Boom. Hey. So we're done with the sleeve. And now we're going to go ahead and move on to the next item. I didn't come back? Oh, there I go. Now I'm just pinning my sleeve. I like pinning my sleeve with my mannequin so I can see what I have accomplished so far. I don't know. And then I'm also showing you guys what it should look like and how it should fall on the mannequin, straight down. Next, take your center back pattern and cut a seam straight up the middle, as I'm showing you guys in this video. Very simple. And again, if I'm going too fast, you can also slow down and pause the video until you actually do the project yourself. Now I'm taking my center front pattern and I will be placing my center back pieces on top of my center front patterns. And I will be pinning them at the shoulder and then pinning them at the side seam. Because you guys will see what I'm talking about in a minute. So take your pieces from your center back and line up shoulder to shoulder and side seam to side seam. And then you guys will pin. Do the same thing to the right side or the left side. Pin your shoulder and then pin your side seams together. The reason why you're pinning them is because they won't move. And if you are a beginner, it helps that, you know, they won't move. And it also helps you remember, like, I got to sew the shoulder and I got to sew the side seams. Because, you know, sometimes sewing can be very confusing. You don't know what to sew first, and etc. So everything is sewn. I'm just showing you guys what it should look like after it's been sewn. The sleeve is not sewn, but my side seams and my shoulders are sewn together. So now I'm just showing you what it will look like once the collar would be sewn on. It will look like that. It's a 1-inch collar, and that's the next thing we will be sewing. We're going to go ahead, take it to the serger, and sew it. So everything is sewn together with my serger. I'm showing you guys the inside. It's very clean. It's very neat. And I'm putting it on a mannequin again so you can see what it looks like. Now I'm just freestyling. I had a great idea. Like, let me just show off a little bit of my arm. You guys know I have like a lot of tattoos on my right arm, and I want to showcase that off. So I'm literally just freestyling with this. I'm just like looking at it, cutting, looking at it, and cutting. This is also a form of draping. And I'm measuring down to see how wide I want my keyhole. So right now my fabric is on fold and I'm just cutting a small circle. Once you open that up on fold, it actually makes a small circle. I don't want none of you guys to overthink. And see, it's a circle right in the middle of my boobies. And that's fine. I don't need it to be any bigger. And this is what it looks like without my shirt, without a bra. It's very sexy, very voluptuous. It's like, ooh, I see boobies. Ooh, I see hips. Ooh, who's the shorty over there? And guys, this is like a lot for me. I'm never this like revealing. But I'm getting older. So I want to show a little bit of skin and be a little bit more sexy and, you know, and show my age a little bit. My boobs look good. Next, we're going to go ahead, go to the sewing machine, and just top stitch the keyhole. It's very simple. I don't want you guys to overthink. So, let's do this like Judas. So, I'm done with the keyhole. I went to the sewing machine, and I top stitched that. Now, the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is just like actually just go back to the serger and sew the back. And that's it. So I'm done with the dress. It's very simple. This is the most simple dress you can ever do. It's basically your basic sleeve, your basic bodice. And it's all basic skills of just sewing straight seams. Nothing too crazy. The dress is being put on a mannequin. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like. And the crushed velvet looks amazing. It's so dope and clean and elegant and sexy. Oh my god. I'm thinking about adding some appliques, but I'm not sure. I can't go overboard. It's not my birthday, and we have to wear all black to this event, so. Hey guys, I know I look crazy because I have a hat on and a robe, but I need a haircut, and I have no clothes on me because I was going back and forth between sewing, actually trying her on, making sure my breast wasn't coming out, making sure it wasn't too tight around the hip area. But I'm officially done with this dress. I didn't mention it before, but the fabric is a crushed velvet. And again, the patterns that I used for this dress, it was my basic sleeve. I used my basic dress pattern. You can use your basic dress pattern or your basic bodice, just elongated. This part here, I put it on fold and just cut the shape that I thought would look good with my breast. I measured from top to bottom to make sure it wasn't so long and so wide. Again, for the neck portion, it's just your basic square. So ladies and gentlemen and designers, do not overthink. And again, for the back portion, it's just a seam and center back. Yes, I can put it over my head. It's velvet, so it does stretch over your head very well. I have a small head, but it does definitely stretch. And again, with this part right here, I just freestyled, as you guys can see earlier in the video. I just put it on the mannequin and I cut where I wanted it to cut, and I brought it all the way around so it can be connected underneath the arm and back to this top area here. If I really wanted to, I can still wear a bra with the clear strap, or I can just wear a bra with one strap. I don't know, I probably won't wear a bra. If you guys want to see me wear this dress, make sure you guys follow me on all social media platforms. Make sure you guys follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and if you guys aren't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Okay, if you like this dress, whoops, let me just bring this up because her boobs, they gotta be even, you know. So yes, if you like this dress, give it a thumbs up. If you think it's too sexy, give it a thumbs up. If you guys can't wait for you to see me in this dress, give it a thumbs up. If black is your favorite color, give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you guys are feeling this crushed velvet, give it a thumbs up. I'm loving this. I cannot wait to wear this dress. I'm gonna get a haircut tomorrow. I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow. I'm gonna look cute. It's not even my birthday, but I'm gonna look cute. I already got a warning. Please tell Anita, don't come to my birthday party looking better than me. I'll try. I'll try. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys actually paid attention. Followed my steps on what I was doing. Again, it's just your basic sleeve, basic square, sewn together, shoulders to shoulders, side seam to side seams, freestyling the circle and doing a seam on the back. It sounds very simple, but when you get in front of a sewing machine or have patterns in your hand, I can definitely understand how it can be very complicated. But again, this is a short video of how to do a DIY simple black sexy dress. I really appreciate you guys, and more videos and more DIYs, more Q&As, all that good stuff will be coming to my channel this year. And again, if you guys have any suggestions or new videos, new DIYs, or whatever, leave it below in the comments. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, and again, make sure you guys like this video, and again, make sure you guys are following me on all social media platforms. Okay, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.